Hello everyone, this is Mirvat, and today I'm going to show you how I sublimate a tumbler using Cricut mug press. I'm using 20 ounces tumbler and I'm going to clean it with rubbing alcohol. Every time you are using infusible ink or sublimation ink, make sure to dry the tumbler or any blank you are using very well. The third step is to lint roll the tumbler. Here is my design, and I must mention Hello Kitty and all the Sanrio characters are for personal use only. To put the design on, the easiest way is to flip the tumbler upside down and then put the sublimation paper on. For me here, the design is smaller than the height of the tumbler, so I put the sublimation paper a little bit down. To secure the sublimation paper, we have to use heat-resistant tape. Since my design has a white background, I'm not going to put a lot of tape on the edges. First, tape the center, then the other two sides. I'm going to tape it with 4 pieces of tape only because I'm going to use shrink wrap. Now I'll put the shrink wrap and I'm going to use a heat gun to shrink it. Here, take your time and heat the shrink wrap very well until it's smooth and tight. Try to keep the heat gun a little far from the shrink wrap and do not overheat the shrink wrap, otherwise it will melt. Now our tumbler is ready to be pressed. Now we'll prepare our press, and when it's ready to be used, I'm going to use a silicone wrap insert because the tumbler is very skinny and won't fit properly in the press without it. Here I'm going to put a small butcher paper to protect the plate from the shrink wrap. Here I'm putting the tumbler. And I'm going to press it for 4 minutes. Now, after 4 minutes, I'm going to rotate the tumbler 180 degrees. And now I'm going to press it for 2 minutes only. Now I'm going to flip the tumbler upside down. First, I'm going to put a small butcher paper, and then I'm going to put the tumbler. Again, we'll do the same steps. I'm going to press it for 4 minutes. And then I'm going to rotate the tumbler 180 degrees. And then I'll press it for 2 minutes more. Now I can remove the tumbler, and since it's very hot, I'm going to put it on a heat press mat. One of the signs that you know you pressed the tumbler for enough time is when you see the pictures through the shrink wrap. Now I can remove the sublimation paper and the shrink wrap. If you are a beginner like me, I advise you to start with designs that have white backgrounds and try to avoid seamless designs or designs that have colored background. Once you feel you are more comfortable and sublimating with no issues, then you can start sublimating with colored background and then seamless designs. This is the final product. I hope you like it and let me know what do you think. Now, this part is optional, but it is preferable. Here I'm going to add a silicone bottom to the tumbler for 2 reasons. First, it protects your tumbler from getting scratched, and second, it will avoid loud sounds every time you are placing it on hard surfaces. They don't always come with the tumblers, but you can purchase them separately. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments below and I will answer them. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.